Hi there, I wanted to show you how to use the 3-sized washi kits that are available in my shop. These were made for the classic Happy Planner vertical spreads. So there are a total of 6 strips for this side of the page with the 4 days across, and then 6 for the 3-day across, and then 6 individual days. So as you can see, the strip covers exactly from one end to the other, so there's no shortage or overage, and it's great if you want to add some little extras to your spread and you want to maybe get rid of the existing design that is on the planner. Currently in the shop there are a mix of solid colors and designs. Right now there is only one that has the same color all throughout, which is the black. So this example is using the Hard Rock and Metal kit. The top strip is actually a textured dark gray. The second section is black. The section in my hand is also black. And then the strip on the bottom is a crowd in a concert. So you don't have to use this in a classic Happy Planner, and you don't have to use it in the way that it was intended. I actually suggest challenging yourself to see how you can use this in an unconventional way. And you can use this over 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, however long you want, or you can try and use them all at once. It really depends on what you need to use it for. And you don't need to use it just for the days, you can cover things up like I did here as well. In the shop there are a bunch of different colors and designs, so if you'd like to check them out, I'll leave some links in the description to a few of them, as well as the store. And if you like a video on how to use my other products, leave a comment below and I would love to help you out and show you. Alright, have a great day!